Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV joint on a Honda Civic. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a 32mm socket, a torque wrench, and sturdy jack stands. Safely lift your vehicle using a floor jack and secure it on 4 jack stands. Then, remove the front wheel to gain clear access to the axle assembly. Remember to consult your service manual for specific fluid draining instructions if required for your model. Next, we'll begin the disassembly process. Start by removing the large axle nut, which is usually a 32mm size, using a breaker bar. Then, disconnect the lower ball joint and the tie rod end from the steering knuckle. This will allow you to swing the knuckle out of the way. Carefully pull the old CV axle free from both the transmission and the wheel hub assembly. Now it's time to install your new CV axle. Before insertion, ensure all splines and mating surfaces are clean and free of debris. Carefully slide the new axle into the transmission, ensuring it seats fully. Then, guide the outer end of the axle through the wheel hub. Reconnect the lower ball joint and the tie rod end, securing them with their respective nuts. For the final steps, reattach the axle nut and torque it to the manufacturer's specified value, which is often around 134 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle. If you drain transmission fluid, refill it to the proper level. Finally, take your Honda Civic for a short test drive to confirm everything is functioning correctly and there are no unusual sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.